What's up, guys? Dante here with another unboxing. Today I will be unboxing the AKG.
I just zoom into Tori the whole time.
Today I'll be unboxing the AKG P120. It's a condenser microphone. I've got some voiceover work that I'm going to be working on soon. So got this little puppy, and I'm excited to try it out. So let's get to the unboxing. Just start off with some plastic for shipping. Set that to the side. We'll get to that later. It's got a cool box, and when you unbox it, you got some literature, you got some warranty card. You got some. It gives you the some product information of the model and some voltage reads, and then you got your manual. Okay. And this is pretty sweet what they do here. They put a layer of foam on top. Are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
The worst unboxing ever. You got a little foam on top, right here, and under that you'll see the recycle sign. We'll get to that later. And then and then right here we have some really cool foam cutout for the microphone itself.
Oh, that's like a plus thing. That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Here's a little.
You can just zoom right in like that.
Here's a little arm. So a little arm for your mounting. Okay, we'll get to that later. And then inside is the microphone. Got some plastic around it. Okay, protection. And then you got your silicone gel pack for moisture absorbing. We'll get to that later. And here's the mic. It's pretty heavy. I think it's about maybe 300 to 400 grams. And you see the windscreen here. It's pretty good. Seems pretty sturdy. It's got that premium feel to it. I'm not gonna lie. It's another gel silicone. We'll get to that later. And yeah, we'll get to that later. And then underneath here, it's just foam. All right. So yeah, so that's just a quick unboxing. I'm really excited to get this thing up and running and try it out. And there'll be a link to that video in the description or a pop-up right here, so you can click that if you want to see the video for the audio test. So that was an unboxing of the AKG P120, and we'll see you next time, guys. All right.
You want me to cut?
Yeah. I thought you cut it.